Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video we're going to be talking about how to create a Google Ads account. Google Ads, formerly known as Google AdWords, is Google's powerful advertising platform that allows businesses to show text, image, and video ads across Google's massive network. That includes search, YouTube, Gmail, Maps, and millions of partner websites and mobile applications. So by the end of this video, you can expect to be up and running with a properly optimized foundation so that you can start running effective ads sooner. There are three main benefits to getting your Google Ads account created, even if you don't plan to start advertising right away. The first one is to take advantage of intro offers, as Google provides new advertisers with free ad credit, usually somewhere around £300 to £500 whenever you spend an equal amount, and this allows you to test campaigns risk-free. You can also set up tracking and conversions, as proper tracking will give you insights into your ads and site performance. Setting up conversions now means you'll be able to optimize them for later. And also you can get approved now, as all new Google Ads accounts undergo a review process which can take a few weeks. So getting approved now means that you can launch campaigns anytime. Basically, having an account ready to go eliminates delays and makes it easy to start and ramp up campaigns in the future. There's absolutely no downsides to this, so let's get into it. And the first step will be that we want to make sure that we're signed into our Google account. This is usually just your Gmail address, but any Google service like YouTube or Drive uses a Google account as well. If you don't already have a Google account, you can easily create one for free. Simply go to accounts.google.com to set up a new account using your email address. Once you're signed in, navigate to ads.google.com in your browser. This is where we can create and manage our new ads account. Now keep in mind that you can only have one Google Ads account per Google account. So if you want to create multiple ads accounts for different businesses, you will then need separate email addresses or Google accounts for each. Now when you first land on the Google Ads homepage, look for any introductory offers for new advertisers. As mentioned before, Google usually provides around $300 to $500 in free ad credit when you spend an equivalent amount within the first couple of months. And this is an awesome way to kickstart your campaigns with minimal risk. The specific offer varies based on your country and any current promotions, so check for details. Just keep this in mind as a nice potential bonus. And then to create your new Google Ads account, click the Start Now button. You will be first prompted to agree to the Google Ads terms and conditions, which outline proper use of the platform, fees, privacy policy, and more. Give the terms a quick read through and check the box to agree. And then on your next screen, you may see a prompt asking you to use information from a business profile to pre-fill your account. So if you already have a Google business profile, which are free listings that appear in Google Search and Maps, I recommend clicking yes here. Connecting any business profiles will automatically populate your business name, address, and other helpful information into your Google Ads account, which can save you some time filling the information. However, if you don't have one, then no problem, simply click on no and move ahead. Next, Google will ask you to provide some basic business details, such as your business name, as you want to enter your full business name, and this shows how your business will appear in Google Ads. Any websites that you have, so you want to input your main website URL. Whenever someone clicks your ad, they will be sent to this site. So once you enter your website, Google will take a moment to analyze and scan it. They will show you a preview of how your site looks on desktop and mobile. And then with your business details entered, click next to proceed. You might be asked to select your ad goals. So this is the time to define what you want to achieve with your Google Ads campaigns. On the next screen, you might be asked as what is your primary goal for advertising in Google. So this allows Google to set up conversion tracking appropriate for your business type. While you can have multiple goals, select the ones that are most important to you. The next step is optional, which is connecting Google Analytics. So if you have Google Analytics installed on your website, the next screen may allow you to connect your Analytics account to your new ads account. And I highly recommend doing this whenever possible, as connecting Google Analytics gives your ads account direct access to all your website data, and it sends your ads data into Analytics for better reporting. There are many huge benefits for doing this, and this includes that Google can optimize your campaigns using your analytics data. You can segment traffic in Analytics just to see your ad clicks, conversions, etc. And it basically creates a seamless loop of data sharing that allows both platforms to perform better. So there's absolutely no reason not to connect them. And since you select your primary advertising goal earlier, Google might now walk you through setting up conversion tracking. Conversions allow Google Ads to track the valuable actions users take after clicking your ads. And this includes signing up for a trial, making a purchase, booking appointments, etc. When you set up conversion tracking, you're telling Google, when users take this action on my site, count it as a conversion. So take the time to properly set up at least one conversion tracking goal here. This step is crucial for creating campaigns focused on driving the outcomes that matter the most to your business. Alright, once you've done all that, your ads account setup is nearly complete. Google will now lead you through Express setup flow to build your first campaign, and this is meant to get new advertisers running ads faster. And while the Express campaigns are great for beginners, they only provide limited options and customizations. You can't fully optimize or personalize your ads and keywords. That's why I suggest going through the motions here and letting Google create the campaign, but do not actually run it. We will pause the campaign created in Express mode and then later build properly optimized campaigns with full control once your account is set up. So for now, click the next to advance through the Express campaign creation process, accepting the defaults, no need to focus on the details. And when you get to the review your campaign step, just click through that as well. Remember, we're not going to run this campaign anyway. After creating your first campaign, you will move on to the billing setup. So Google will ask you to select your billing country. This determines the currency your account uses. Make sure that it's accurate. And then under the billing settings, select a payment method to add to your account. This includes PayPal, credit card, or bank account. Choose whichever billing method you prefer. Avoid debit cards though, credit cards provide more protection. And then after submitting payment, Google considers your account setup complete. And then you can click to explore your campaign and select to pause campaign if you want, or switch to expert mode by going to the settings and then change from Express to expert mode. And this unlocks all of the campaign features. And that's really it. Your new Google Ads account is created and ready to start building optimized campaigns. So once you have a solid handle on the platform and know the best keywords to target, you will be in a great position to launch successful campaigns. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know in the comment section down below if you have any other questions on this topic. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can create related to this one.